Welcome to YouTube channel. My name is K. Arjun Rao, working in Naipunya Vikasam as an English trainer under APSSDC in APTWRS School Boys G. Madugula, Visakhapatnam district. Now we are going to discuss about my aspiration. What is an aspiration? Do you have any aspirations in your life? Now we shall learn the definitions of aspirations. Aspiration is a hope or ambition of achieving something. We can also say that an aspiration is a strong hope, dream, or goal. These aspirations are mostly subjective, unmeasurable, and usually depend on state of mind. For example, before we go to an interview, we should be aware that the interviewer is likely to ask about your career plans and aspirations. Now we shall learn some objectives of aspirations. To identify milestone completed in their life so far. A milestone is a significant event in your life. The career achievement milestone are your guideposts to professional success during our time. Now we talk about a famous personality's life that determined the future courses of his or her life. Gandhiji and Newton are the famous personalities' lives. First, we discuss about Gandhiji. We all know about Gandhiji. Who is he? He is the father of our nation. We shall see an incident happened in a train while traveling from South Africa. Gandhiji was thrown out of the train in South Africa. This made him determined to end discrimination. See, there is a picture of Gandhiji. The incidents happened while traveling from South Africa. On the night of June 7th, in the year 1893, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, a young lawyer, then was thrown off the train's first class, white solely, compartment at Pietermaritzburg station in South Africa for refusing to give up his seat. When Gandhiji refused to move to the rear end of the train, he was thrown out. This is because of black men's and white men's. The black men were not allowed to travel with white men's or sit beside by white men's. He fought against discrimination. This made him determined to end discrimination. Next, we shall discuss about Newton. Newton, who thought the gravity when he saw an apple falling down from a tree, it aroused his curiosity to find out why things fall down towards earth and not go up in the air. This is because of the universal law of gravitation. There is a popular story that Newton was sitting under an apple tree. An apple fell on his head, and he suddenly thought of the universal law of gravitation. See the pictures of Newton sitting under an apple tree and found out the law of gravitation. He gave the formula Fg is equal to G m1 m2 by r square. Legend has it that young Isaac Newton was sitting under an apple tree when he was bonked on the head by falling piece of fruit, a 17th century movement that prompted him to suddenly come up with his law of gravity. In reality, things didn't go down quite like that. See the picture of Newton. Now we shall go through some common events that make an impact on their lives. While losing someone very dear, we lose loved ones because nothing is because our life moments were with them. We come to realize that nothing in life prepares us for losing someone we love. Nothing. Sometimes life gave us two options: losing yourself or losing the one you love. Whatever it is, don't lose yourself. These events make a deep and lasting impact on the person, and how this can signify and change their life. Next, reading about a tragedy. How this tragedy affects people. Tragedy affects people in different ways, some for better and some for worse. I can honestly say that after the murder of my close relative, it took me some time to see the good change that happened to me. I miss him so much, but the pain that I left during my extreme grieving allowed for me to work on truly and fully healing myself. I am still going through the process, but on the other side of this grief, I have learned that I matter to love myself more, appreciate family and quality time with them, and don't talk things for granted. While I still have much to learn and go through, I can say this tragedy has made me wake up and look at life through a whole different lens. One small step can change your life. While reading these tragedies, we can change our lives. Thank you. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Thank you very much for one and all.